Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Joy and I share all things fashion, styling and beauty. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my nighttime skincare routine. If you missed my video earlier on, I had shared, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, I had shared my morning routine. So today, or in this video, we're going to be sharing my skincare nighttime routine. But first, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Okay, so let's dive right into this video. So my routine changes depending on what I receive in PR or what I have, but most times I always use Neutrogena. You would always see most of my products are Neutrogena. So first off, I am wiped, which I didn't bring the wipes here, but and I am typically dry skinned, and any product I show or share with you guys today is something I've probably been using over time or something I just received in a PR that I'm trying out and I love, but I'm not going to tell you any product that or recommend. Just depends on your skin type. So first I go into like wipe off my makeup with Neutrogena. So any brand or any product that I use, I always have something Neutrogena in my routine because that's what I've used for the longest time, and it's the Hydro Boost collection. This I love. It works well with my skin. So after I wipe off my makeup with the wipes, this is the cleansing towelettes. I use the cleansing gel. It just depends on what I want to do for that day, but if I have like a full makeup on, I wipe with the wipes first. And I recently came across this Shiseido eyes and lip makeup remover. This thing is an instant eye and lip makeup remover. Yes, it instantly wipes away my makeup. So I just take like a cotton round and put some and just take off my eyes. It literally takes everything off. I recently just started using it, so you can see that I'm just still at the beginning of this bottle, but I'm going to find this and buy more of it. As I go on, I'll be sharing some videos by the side to just see how I cleanse and how I do my routine in general. Okay, recently I was sent this Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This, I've heard so much about it. So when I was sent the entire collection, it has the Rose, the OG, and the Naked. The Naked is the one that was newly launched January. So I have the 3, but this is the one that I'm currently using. But oh my god, this thing to cleanse, the first day I used it, and this rose smells so good, so good. But the Naked, I believe, is a fragrance free cleansing balm. So if you don't like fragrance, I think you should go for the Naked, which is the new one. But the first time I used this cleansing balm, I didn't even need to go ahead to cleanse my face again. I could literally just jump into like my serums and my moisturizers. That's how good this cleansing balm is. So I usually do the cleansing oil, like double cleansing. I use this twice a day, in the morning and at night. In my previous video, my morning routine, I shared this as well. I'm almost out of this because I religiously and constantly use it every day. I need to like exfoliate or like scrub or like mask, I use this my Murad AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser, and this, my face always feels really smooth, and you just leave your skin damp and put like a pea size of it, like very little, and you just rub it in and then you rinse. This thing just leaves my skin, I can just feel it very smooth and soft. So this I use, but not every day, but just days that I feel like I need to exfoliate, probably 2 or 3 times a week. So that's for cleansing. If I need to do a mask, I have been using this Yensa pumpkin turmeric cleansing sorry, I've been using this Yensa pumpkin turmeric, is a polishing mask. I'm just stumbling on my words. So this I really love. It doesn't strip out the oils in your face. It just leaves your skin hydrated afterwards and moisturized. Like, I don't feel my skin dry. You leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes. I've been using it and I'm almost out of this. Actually, this did get it in my BoxyCharm box, and that's why I subscribe to BoxyCharm, because I love trying out skincare products. The other part that I'm just like so in love with recently is the face steamer. So I'm just sharing this. I don't usually do everything in one night. Like I said, sometimes twice or three times a week, and then this as well, twice or three times a week. But I do like my double cleansing, and I do, of course, if I have makeup on, my eye and lip makeup remover. So, and then my cleansing balm, Elemis cleansing balm. So it just depends on what I have on, excuse me, on my face that day. Then I can do like a full on routine, or if it's like in the middle of the week, then I can go on and do a full routine. But this one, my face team, let's take a minute to just soak in everything about this face team. Okay, so I've heard so much about face teams, or even if you don't use one at home, it's something that you can just wash your face with a hot water, like not burning hot, but like just something hot to just get that steam going, because it opens up the pores and lets your skin and product soak in and do its job. So I recently got this, well, George got this for me as part of my number of Christmas presents, because I really wanted to try a face steamer at home. So you put this is the cup that it comes with. He got this off of Amazon. My cart was sitting in my cart, and I think it was like $30 something. I'm gonna link all these products and a few ones I can see down in the description box below. So you put the 50 ml, make sure it doesn't pass 50 ml, and you put it right. This comes out, you see, and then you put the water in here, and then you close it clockwise rotation, and then you turn it on, which is this button right here. When you plug this to the wall socket, it comes up blue here, and then it starts steaming, like getting ready to like bring the steam out. And then when it kicks off, and I just leave it on my face. It's advisable that you leave it on a flat surface, you don't hold it. So I usually leave it on my bathroom countertop or on the floor. If I'm sitting on the floor, I just leave it right there, and then the steam just comes up to my face and just do its whole job. So I sit with this until the water dries up. You can tell it would literally go off on its own, like you can just tell when it's over and done with. So once I get this steamer out, my pores are open and ready for like my serums, my eye creams, my moisturizers, and all of that jazz, and my oils before I close out for the night. So once that is done, I forgot to mention that I recently just got this Caudalie. Is a vinyl clean moisturizing toner. I just started using this, but I used to use the Fresh Beauty hydrant toner. I can't remember the name right now, but one in the hydration collection. Like I said, I'm dry skin, so I always go for things that are hydrating. So I used to use Fresh Beauty. I'm going to leave a picture of it on the screen here, but I recently got this in the mail, so I'm trying this out and I'm going to leave a review for them. But I think I love it already, because why not? It's moisturizing, and it has organic rose water, and it's good for the face and eyes and all skin types. Okay, now once I'm done with the face steam and my pores are open and ready for all my serums and creams and all of that jazz, I tone, of course, and then I go in with my serum. So currently I'm using this Caudalie resveratrol lift. I always don't know how to pronounce this, but it's a resveratrol lift, and this, I love, so good. So after I do this, I go in, first I go in my eye cream. This is the one I'm currently using, the pharmacy eye cream. I had listed all this in my morning routine, so I use this morning and night, and then I use my serum, and then finally I go in with my pharmacy moisturizer. I started using this just recently. It came in my BoxyCharm collection, or my BoxyCharm box, so it's in a gel form. I've enjoyed using this as well. And then I use my Laneige lip sleeping mask. I'm finally out of this bad boy. I literally scrape inside because I'm trying to take everything out of this, and I've enjoyed using it. I'm gonna restock very soon. This just ran out, but yeah, I think that's just all for my routine. In between, I just let everything soak in, like from my serum, my eye cream, I just give a minute gap, before I apply the next product on my face. And I just let my skin, you know, soak all the goodness of all the moisture and all the ingredients that these products have. So that's a typical day, or how I, okay, no, before I close out this video, this ice roller, this face and ice roller is by, I forget the name, Flawless Beauty. This you have to put, you detach the head and you put this in your freezer, let it sit about 4 hours before you're ready to do your skincare. So what I do, I just, like, after each session, I just rinse it off and put it back in the freezer, because I don't want to be waiting 4 hours to when, because I don't know. So when I'm ready, that's after all my creams, my serums and all of that, I take it out of the freezer and then I attach it back and I just roll. This is divine. You should get your hands on this face roller, like whichever type you want to use, but ice rollers, they're a game changer, and this just helps. This instruction says to pour the product on it. The first time I did it, I felt like my products were wasted, so I just rubbed everything on my face and then I went in with this afterwards. This was the last thing I used and it just felt so divine. It felt because I feel like I have this tension right here. Whenever I'm stressed, I just squeeze and I have those lines right there. So I concentrate on there and I just feel, it feels really relaxing. But yeah, I think that's the end of my video. These are all the products that I use. But like I said, it's not every day I use all these products. Like days where I have to mask or I exfoliate, I use more products because I'm masking or I'm exfoliating. But days where I'm just doing like a simple cleanse, if I don't have makeup on, it's straightforward. I just cleanse, double cleanse, and I jump straight into my toner and my serums and moisturizer. But days that I have my makeup on, that's where I go into deep cleansing, because I'm trying to get all those things out, the products, the waterproof mascara, so it takes time, and that's why I use like all those Shiseido makeup remover and the Elemis cleansing balm. So just as a side note, I don't use all of this at once, just depending on what my skin is saying that day, and also depends on if I want to steam for that day. But most times I mask 2 or 3 times a week as instructed at the back of all these products. So yes, this brings me to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions with regards to products I use, leave your questions in the description box below, or the comment section below, and I'm gonna list everything on here in the description box. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and always remember that a good skincare is also part of self-care. So pick up a routine. It mustn't be expensive. It could just be something very simple, but stick to your routine and your skin will respond. So yeah, this brings me to the end of the video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video and take care. See you later. Bye.